In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time in Fresha app/calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set aside breaks, personal time, or any period when you're unavailable so your schedule stays accurate and clients can't book over those moments. Start by opening the Fresha app and heading straight to the calendar. This is your central hub for managing availability. Once you're there, look for the add button, the plus icon, and tap it. From the menu that appears, choose blocked time. This opens a simple form that controls when and why your time is blocked. Begin by selecting the date and the start and end time for your block. Take a moment to double check both times so the block fully covers the period you need. If you have multiple commitments in a day, it's better to create separate blocks for each window rather than one long stretch to keep your calendar clear and meaningful. Next, choose a reason or type for the block, such as break, lunch, or personal time. This label helps you quickly understand why that slot is unavailable when you glance at your calendar later. If the built-in options don't quite fit, you can set up your own. To do that, go to Settings, then Scheduling, and open block time types to create custom labels. Establishing a few clear types up front keeps your calendar consistent and easy to scan. If this block repeats, set up a repeat pattern now. For example, you might repeat a daily lunch break or a weekly team meeting. Pick the frequency that matches your routine. This is especially useful for regular non-bookable times, so you don't have to recreate the same block every week. Now specify who the block applies to. Select the team member or members whose calendars should be unavailable during that time. You can also assign it to specific resources, like a room or a device, if those need to be reserved. Be precise here. Choosing the right people and resources prevents accidental double booking elsewhere. When everything looks right, save the block. Fresha will instantly mark that time as unavailable, which helps prevent online bookings and avoids conflicts. If you ever notice a clash, revisit the block's timing or type to keep things tidy. That's all it takes. Opening the calendar, adding a block time, setting the timing, choosing a reason, applying a repeat if needed, selecting team members or resources, and saving. Simple steps that make a big difference in keeping your schedule accurate and stress-free.